Vietnam coffee has come far. But the future needs more than production. It needs connection. Farmers plant the future. Processors protect quality. Roasters unlock flavor. Baristas share the experience. Traders connect origin to market. Consumers shape demand. No one builds coffee alone. Not the farmer alone. Not the processor alone. Not the roaster alone. Not the cafe alone. Not the buyer alone. The future of Vietnam coffee depends on all of us. Together, we create better quality. Together, we create better value. Together, we create stronger coffee communities. Together, we build the future. Build the future together. Support better Vietnamese coffee. Learn more at IO Coffee Workshop. Experience the story at IO Hidden Gem,
where my heart lives next to you. Hidden gem, hidden home. In this cafe we're not alone. Every coffee, every kiss feels like something we were shown. If the world pulls us apart and we lose what we have known, I will keep you in my heart as my hidden, hidden home. You said if we ever leave here, promise you'll still think of this. The first pour over that went badly, the nervous, unexpected kiss. I smiled and raised my mug to yours. Every brew, each time we blend, makes this little Saigon corner more than just a shop, my friend. Hidden gem, hidden home. In this cafe we're not alone. Every coffee, every kiss feels like something we were shown. If the world pulls us apart and we lose what we have known, so if one day we are strangers walking past this cafe door, may the scent of fresh espresso whisper we were here before.